Change Talk Show, and I'm your host, Corporal Tim Thornton, and I am here today with Judge Schiano, who's running for Supreme Court Justice for 8 counties. Mr. Schiano, how are you today?
Good, very good. Thanks for inviting me down here today.
Very good, thank you. And I'd like to jump right in, if you could tell everybody a little bit about yourself.
Sure.
And your running. And
yes. Running for a Judge John Ark's Supreme Court seat. Judge Ark's been a Supreme Court judge up in Rochester for about 20 years now. He's aged out this year. He can't run this year, so there's one seat available. So I'm running on the Republican, Conservative, Independent lines. I've been an attorney for 29 years now. I practice in a family practice. My father, 2 younger brothers, handle trial work, criminal work, civil, whole range of work. Mainly for, we're a people's law firm. We handle a lot of clientele. We don't do a lot of business work. Many people like you, Tim, or anybody who comes and shops here. I'm also a town judge, town of Greece, for 14 years. Greece is a town just north of Rochester, about 100,000 people there. Been doing that for 14 years, and it run 3 times in Greece with Republican, Conservative, Independent backing. So Greece is a pretty big town. My wife makes me tell people where Greece is. Because I go to Steuben County, people ask, where's Greece? Or Keo County, where's Greece? So Greece is just north of the city of Rochester, up by Lake Ontario.
Yep.
So keep busy with that. So that's my background in politics. And enjoy. I'm an Aquinas graduate from high school. Went to Niagara University for my undergraduate, and Dayton Law School for my law background.
the Aquinas, they have a name like...
Little Irish.
Well, not besides like that, but aren't you like a fellow or something? There was an Aquinas guy that just passed away.
Okay.
And a lot of people came from all over the United States for the funeral.
Really? Okay.
And he was...
They have certain degrees up there. I mean, Basilian fathers are the ones who run Aquinas Institute.
Okay.
So maybe some type of Basilian background he had. But Aquinas is a big family. I mean, my son Matthew's Aquinas. My son Luke graduated from Aquinas just last Sunday. He got out. So I've got 2 Aquinas boys. My father's Aquinas. Both brothers who were lawyers are Aquinas.
Yeah, Aquinas. I had friends that went to Aquinas, and they're always good guys, smart guys.
We try to be the best we can.
Yep.
Best we can. But no, it's a good background, and you know, people, you come back, you give back to the school. I coached, assistant coached both basketball and soccer at Aquinas for my younger son. You know, volunteers, giving back to the school, and I do other things at Aquinas to help out. Before I was a judge, I ran a golf tournament for a teacher who died of cancer at Aquinas. When I became a judge, I can't do fundraising anymore, so I kind of stopped doing that. But before I was the judge in Greece, we ran a fundraising for a charity for a scholarship for a baseball coach at Aquinas.
Nice.
So it's all giving back to the community, and giving back to the Aquinas community, which I think is important.
It's good that you're a trial lawyer. I've actually run into lawyers who don't go to trial.
Sure.
And I don't always tell you that up front. I
Sure.
think they're supposed to. And you can pay them a lot of money, and then you find out, hey, how come this isn't resolved yet? And they go, I don't go to trial.
Yeah, that's an issue sometimes. I mean, for me, I handle both civil and criminal trials, so I do both ends of it. And being in Supreme Court's a general jurisdiction. So Supreme Court, you can handle divorce, handle a murder case, you could handle a personal injury case.
Wow.
So my background is in both those, especially in the civil aspect. I do a lot of what's called arbitration, where people ask me to decide the case for them. Not going to trial, we do it out of court, where both attorneys come to me, give me the paperwork, we take testimony, I read out a decision. It's kind of like a cost saving, where we do an actual trial out of court, and you pick an arbitrator. I'm a private arbitrator, I can do it. Or we do what's called a mediation, where they come, we sit, and we talk and try and negotiate it out, rather than going to a trial. So going to trial is an expensive experience, too. So I think with arbitration, mediation, which I'm kind of big on that, I think is a way to resolve a case and not have it go to a trial setting.
I like that. That's nice. Well, you definitely have the background to, as for the job that you want. Obviously, you're more than qualified, but you're balanced.
Correct.
You've got a experience over here, criminal and non-criminal.
Correct.
Right? Business. So when people come before you, you should get a pretty fair hand.
Well, I've done both of them. I've done both criminal and civil. I think that's important in Supreme Court. Like I said, it's a general jurisdiction where you can get any type of case. I think I'm unique in that, where I've handled murder cases, defending murder cases, I've handled personal injury cases, I've done divorce work. I think that helps in this area. And I've been to Wayne County, I've been to Ontario, I've been to Livingston County. So I've been to different counties in my jurisdiction. I've been to Steuben County. I think that helps knowing the people, knowing what's going on in different counties. I think that's a benefit to me running, and hopefully people will agree on that in November.
That's great. Well, I hope you get the job.
I'm going to try as hard as I can.
Very good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, you have a Facebook page?
We do.
What's the Facebook page?
Judge Schiano for Supreme Court.
Website?
Yes. Same thing.
Same thing?
Yes, Judge Schiano for Supreme Court.
Judge Schiano for Supreme Court. Very good.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Yeah, I'm not big on Facebook, but I got sons who would take care of me with that one. Help me out.
That's good. Yeah, he's sitting right over there, big guy. What sport does he play?
He played soccer at Nazareth College. He played soccer at Aquinas. He played soccer at Nazareth. My other son played basketball too at Aquinas, and so he did well at that. My other son just got Aquinas, played soccer at Aquinas and some basketball too. Not sure he's going to play college. Matt played 2 years at Roberts Wesleyan. He played 2 years at Nazareth, and he's heading to Dayton Law School in September. So we'll see how that goes.
Good job. Yeah,
and fingers crossed.
Looking forward to that. So, all right, now, if you're still listening, you can go to our YouTube page, and Iron Mike's Military, and you look it up, and you're going to see Judge Schiano judging against our competitors and the product that we carry, Campfire Meals. He's going to be the judge on a food tasting challenge. And so you go to the video, and of course you'll see the judge there.
Looking forward to it, Tim.
Very good. Thank you.